Hello, doctor. My name is Wang Menghao, and my metric number is 251227. Next, I will talk about the technical analysis about the moving of energy. For this graph, and the graph above show the moving of energy of FGV stalkers. Moving of energy is also one of the instructions used evaluate when to buy and sell stalkers. It's recommended that trades by stalker when the price is above the moving average. And the next one is supposed and resistant. Supposed level is the level and which the price finds supposed when it fails. For example, when the price of FGV stocker decreases, price is more likely to become of the level rather than breaking through it. If the price have broken the stage, it's more likely that it will continue to delay before the next level of support is achieved. This one is standard B per hand. The graph above shows the moving average of standard B per hand stocker. Trading are acknowledging to buy stocker when prices rise above moving average and sell stocker when the price fell below moving average. One is the support and the resistance of standard B per hand. Down trader is supposed to pressure as the support action due to a constraint of the demand. For example, the purple lines of the above graph is the supposed line. When price fail until the purple line, the downtrend of the stocker price will pressure and both duty to have a support of demand. And the next one is IOE corporation behind moving average, or be called as MA, is a measures in the technology analysis. It can help small out of price action by fitting out of losses from remaining short term price. It's a trading follow. One is supposed and released. A supposed level is the level and at which the price sticker to find the supposed. When it fails, it suggested that the price is more likely to become of this amount than to buy boost above it. For example, the proportion lines of the above graph is the supposed line. When price fail until the purpose line and IM 4.39, the downtrend of stocker price will pressure and probably do have a support of demand.